A variety of industries need robots to work on extremely large workspaces. Aircraft sustainment, naval sustainment, construction, all of these need robots that can work on large workspaces while performing continuous tasks. Tasks like painting or welding or sealing, where stopping and then starting again can actually damage the quality of the final result. The existing solutions to these problems, gantries, rails, and external tracking infrastructure, all rely on a high capital investment that ties an automated solution to a particular place. These industries would really benefit from a coordinated motion solution that is self-contained and highly flexible in where it is applied. Our team relied on components developed as part of the Ross Industrial open source project, as well as previous SwRI internal research and development efforts. So as the robot and the mobile base go along executing the process, the software monitors what each one of them is doing and compares it to what we expected that subsystem to be doing at that time. The mobile base and the manipulator work together to provide this smooth process over an arbitrarily large application space. Any interruptions to the operation of the base or the manipulator are dynamically mitigated in real time by the other subsystem. This unique, novel, and flexible approach helps bring robots to places they haven't been able to go before, environments that aren't already set up, to move from environment to environment, means that it can handle a variety of dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks that were previously inaccessible to automation because of the high capital investment required for rails, gantries, or external tracking. And most of all, we look forward to applying it to a real-world problem with real-world solutions that help real-world workers.